Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a super special guest here with me today. It is Lahubs, my husband.
Hello.
Also known as my baby daddy, even though I called him that on my YouTube and some of you guys are like appalled. We are married and this is the 1 year after baby life update. This wasn't a video that I was planning on making, but I got a lot of comments in our last update when you guys first met Kamari, what she's like now, how we've been handling raising a baby during quarantine. So let's just start with that.
Life's been, very unique, but all in all, we've been very fortunate to raise her during this situation, as both our occupations has allowed us to do everything from home. So to be able to work and thrive and see her grow and progress on a daily basis is, it's a blessing in disguise. But on the flip side, it has a lot of challenges because it's cold.
And there are the challenges. I mean, I'm literally filming. My husband is in his office and we had to makeshift an office for him. Her playroom has literally taken up the entire home, the living room, and you can always hear her in the background. So I want to give major kudos to my team, Kelly and Michelle. I mean, they're really helping us hold down the fort as well. We have my mother helping once a week. We drop her off to, his mom for a couple hours at a time.
Yeah, but the first 3 or 4 months of COVID, we didn't have that. We were literally quarantined, isolated, and it was unfortunate that our family members couldn't see her grow, and we can interact with our family members.
I mean, we were taking it very
slow,
very seriously, very slowly, very safely, with all precautions. I think no one really knew what COVID was at the beginning, and we were really just kind of scared. We wanted to stay indoors. We wanted to stay quarantined. I mean, you're raising, a little baby, and we didn't know if she was gonna catch something. Are we gonna catch something the minute we go outside? Are we gonna bring something back, and then the whole family has it?
Right.
And we have no help. So now that we're kind of slowly phasing back into seeing our family and friends, we recently celebrated her very first birthday with our closest friends and family. And I want you guys to take a look at how everything went down.
From the sun, you bring the sunshine. I can feel it, that you are the one, oh baby, be mine. I can feel it, like the rays from the sun, you bring the sunshine. I can feel it, that you are the one, oh baby, be mine. I can feel it, like the rays from the sun, you bring the sunshine. I can feel it, that you are the one, oh baby, be mine. I can feel it, like the rays from the sun, you bring the sunshine. I can feel it, that you are the one, oh baby, be mine. I can feel it.
So I literally threw her birthday together in probably like 2 weeks time. You know, every week we're tending to work. I'm starting to see my clients locally again. I'm taking care of my e-design clients on top of filming weekly content for you guys. I wouldn't say I put her birthday on the back burner, but every week we were like, what's going on with COVID? Who can we invite? Like, can we do like a major blowout like we normally would? And of course we couldn't. So we kind of had to separate all of the different groups, separate our families, and create a smaller celebration, but it was still on a pretty grand scale.
And that was the hardest part of just coordinating who we can invite. But you know, we had to be COVID safe and separate as much as possible.
It was a pared down version of what I would normally throw, but it was still just as fabulous, and we had an amazing time with all of our family and friends.
Yeah.
As you can see, the living room is an entire playground for Kamari right now.
Chaos.
So what you see now is how we've been living, you know, for the past like 6 months. I would say quarantine is a blessing because no one comes over and no one sees this crazy mess.
Chaos.
But the plan is to completely remodel my garage. Right now, my garage is like the bane of his existence.
She hoards furniture.
I told you guys that. I told you guys that in my thrift flip video that I am a furniture hoarder. But right now, you know, it's not important for me to hang on to things that no longer inspire me. Hang on to items and furniture that are taking a valuable real estate in my house, my home, and my life.
Yep.
So the idea is to completely remodel the garage and make it into Kamari's playground slash my filming studio slash a makeshift studio for Julie Koo interior design. But I still have that guest bathroom renovation that I owe you. I did not forget about that. We just had a little bit of delivery and scheduling issues with COVID. I was ordering a lot of supplies overseas, but it is all here. It has landed, and that is coming up very, very soon. So without further ado, here comes Kamari, our little toddler, 1-year-old now. And here's Kamari. Mars, say hi to the camera, honey.
Hi, Kamari.
So I'm sure the question on everyone's mind, and it's so common, is if we are going to have another baby. And I mean, look at her. Of course we want more kids. I mean, she's just so scrumptious. But that will come. It will come in time. And
naturally,
we believe that timing is everything, and our family will grow. It will expand, but we are just kind of leaving it up to the universe.
Yeah. We just do the best we can, move forward, and you know, life will happen the way it's going to happen.
Yeah, but right now we are just enjoying all this precious time with our little precious girl. Kamari. For more life and Kamari updates, follow me on Instagram. I don't typically share a lot of behind the scenes with my life because I know you guys tune into design, but this is life now, guys. I'm a working mom. He's a working dad. We're raising a toddler in our home. So I hope that you guys tune in for more design content. If you liked seeing my family today, please give this video a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Coming up on YouTube, we are going to have my guest bathroom renovation. Our common design mistakes series is coming. I am so excited for that. And of course, a ton of holiday content. So if there's anything specific you'd like to see on my channel, please drop it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Bless you.
Bless you. Okay. Yep, she does that. She did.